Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Majestic Beach Towers 1-1404. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, parking, free Wi-Fi and a parking on site. Located a few steps from Panama City Beach, Majestic Beach Towers 1-1404 offers accommodations with a balcony. Free Wi-Fi is available and private parking is available on site. Accommodations are fitted with air conditioning, a fully equipped kitchen with a dining area, a TV and a private bathroom with shower and free toiletries. A dishwasher, a microwave and fridge are also offered, as well as a coffee machine. Popular points of interest near the condo hotel include Ripley's Believe It or Not, Shell Island and Coconut Creek Family Fun Park. The nearest airport is Northwest Florida Beaches International Airport, 18 miles from Majestic Beach Towers 1-1404. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.